Whether you're working with simple or complex projects, having the right tools for the job will make things faster and easier. The redesigned Variant Manager in Altium Designer offers both a new and legacy approach to design variants, where you can assign each component one of three states: installed, not installed, or replaced. The new Variant Manager's full power is realized with component groups. Groups are pre-formed on the basis of schematic sheets, sheet symbols, or project component classes. Once a group is formed, a list of its components is created, and you can start to configure the options. Each option defines a particular state of the component group. For example, there can be differences in available interfaces due to installation of an incomplete set of components on the board. For convenience, groups and options are given names that reflect their content. Thus, each feature generates its own separate group of components. Variations of this feature are represented by options of the group. Variations by assigning alternative components are also available. Formation of groups for each feature is needed when creating future variants of the project build. When the groups and options are set up, the variants are constructed in a separate table by combining group options. This approach greatly simplifies and speeds up the process, especially in large projects with a large number of options and a complex system of organization. Dozens of variants are created in a few minutes, and you can clearly see the defining characteristics. As always, changes are available for viewing in 3D. This new approach simplifies not only the formation of variants, but also their editing and support as the project develops. Adding components to a group is automatic. For example, for a group based on a schematic sheet, when you add components to that sheet. New components in the group get into the options table. All you need to do is configure their status according to the available options, and that status will automatically apply to all variants.